number 1. Man. The Italian meaning of man is uomo. 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 Woman. The Italian meaning of woman is donna. 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 Now, number 2. Boy. The Italian meaning of boy is ragazzo. 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 Girl. The Italian meaning of girl is ragazza. 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 Now, number 3. Father. The Italian meaning of father is padre. 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 Mother. The Italian meaning of mother is madre. 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 Now, number 4. Husband. The Italian meaning of husband is marito. 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 Wife. The Italian meaning of wife is moglie. 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 Now, number 5. Brother. The Italian meaning of brother is fratello. 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 Sister. The Italian meaning of sister is sorella. 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 Now number 6. Son. The Italian meaning of son is figlio. 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 Daughter. The Italian meaning of daughter is figlia. 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 Now number 7. Uncle. The Italian meaning of uncle is zio. 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 Aunt. The Italian meaning of aunt is zia. 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 Now number 8. Grandfather. The Italian meaning of grandfather is nonno. 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 Grandmother. The Italian meaning of grandmother is nonna. 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 Now number 9. King. The Italian meaning of king is re. 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 Queen. The Italian meaning of queen is regina. 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 Now number 10. Prince. The Italian meaning of prince is principe. 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 Princess. The Italian meaning of princess is principessa. 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 Now, number 11. Male goat. The Italian meaning of male goat is becco. 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 Female goat. The Italian meaning of female goat is capra. 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 Now, number 12. Ram. The Italian meaning of ram is ariete. 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 ewe. The Italian meaning of ewe is pecora. 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 Now, number 13. Bull. The Italian meaning of bull is toro. 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 Cow. The Italian meaning of cow is mucca. 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 Now, number 14. Stallion. The Italian meaning of stallion is stallone. 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 Mare. The Italian meaning of mare is giumenta. 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 Now number 15. Rooster. The Italian meaning of rooster is gallo. 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 Hen. The Italian meaning of hen is gallina. 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 Now number 16. Male cat. The Italian meaning of male cat is gatto. 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 Female cat. The Italian meaning of female cat is gatta. 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 Now number 17. Male dog. The Italian meaning of male dog is cane. 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 Female dog. The Italian meaning of female dog is cagna. 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 Now number 18. Male duck. The Italian meaning of male duck is anatra maschio. Maschio. Anatra maschio. Female duck. The Italian meaning of female duck is anatra femmina. Femmina. Anatra femmina. Now number 19. Male rabbit. The Italian meaning of male rabbit is coniglio maschio. Glio. Maschio. Coniglio maschio. Female rabbit. The Italian meaning of female rabbit is coniglia. Glia. Coniglia. Now number 20. Male pig. The Italian meaning of male pig is verro. 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 Female pig. The Italian meaning of female pig is scrofa. 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 Now number 21. Lion. The Italian meaning of lion is leone. 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 Lioness. The Italian meaning of lioness is leonessa. 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 Now number 22. Tiger. The Italian meaning of tiger is tigre maschio. Tigre maschio. Tigre maschio. Tigress. The Italian meaning of tigress is Tigre femmina. Tigre femmina. Tigre femmina. Now number 23. Peacock. The Italian meaning of peacock is pavone. Pa-vo-ne. Pavone. Peahen. The Italian meaning of peahen is pavonessa. Pa-vo-nessa. Pavonessa. Now number 24. Male deer. The Italian meaning of male deer is cervo. 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 Female deer. The Italian meaning of female deer is cerva. 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 Now number 25. Wolf. The Italian meaning of wolf is lupo. 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 She-wolf. The Italian meaning of she-wolf is lupa. Lupa. Lupa.